Hello everybody, this is another Walkman that we are going to service. This is the Sony Walkman WM-32-31. Now the first thing we are going to do is to see what's happening. I'm going to place two batteries. Nothing has happened. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything else because if you start forcing, that's not a good idea. So we're gonna dismantle the unit. We're gonna use a little bit of lubricant. This is high penetration oil, because these units are about 20 years old and all the dirt, everything that is on the way will be against us when we dismantle it. That will act like a glue. It could damage and crack the plastic of the unit. That also gives us a newer look to the unit, kind of trick of the trade, because obviously this unit is going to be on sale, so we're gonna try to make it as tight as possible. Yeah, slowly we are removing the screws. Yeah, coming out. As you can listen, it's a good idea to put the oil, because this has been dry for 20 years, maybe even more, so it's not very friendly when they open. Also, I tried not to place batteries before, because if you damage the broken belt, you see, this is the reason why it's not working. The belt is broken, and you can see, so you remove that, the belt complete intact. The other belt is a mystery. Yeah, it's here, the other belt. So it's a good idea always to try to remove the belt intact, because it's always a good idea to remove the belt intact, because that gives you the peace of mind that you don't have to clean, and it's not sticky or anything like that here. Okay, so despite the book says not use oils, we're gonna put just a tiny bit of oils around here, because it's now, as I said, 20 years old, the unit, and it needs a little the plastic needs to exercise. Well, this unit is 35 mil and 28 mil bell, so the 35 mil goes underneath, the 28 mil goes at the top, yeah, that should be alright. Now it's time to test. So we're going to put the cover back, the rear cover back. And look, I have put the oil on top of the terminals that as you can see, they have corrosion, but the oil has helped the removal of, helping us later the removal of the corrosion. But what we're going to do now is test it. Voila, it's working. So we just need to clean the unit and it's ready for sale. we are going to test the volume as well, if something is wrong with the volume or the speed, which is highly unlikely because first the unit looks tidy, but if we have a problem with the speed, there's no problem. We will show you what to do if necessary. My only recommendation when you adjust the speed of the unit is try to obtain a tape that you're very familiar with a song that you're very familiar with, so you can easily identify if the speed is low, so you can adjust it. So see, so the unit is fine, and now time for the truth. We're going to test the speed. Put on headphones. You can see the noise a little bit cracking here, but it's very easy because the unit is not being used for the last 20 years. What you have to do is just play with the volume up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, this is not always the solution. If the issue continues, that you will have to replace the potentiometer. But on this case, it's fine now. The cracking noise is gone. Why it is happening? Because this is got a carbon inside, and because it's not being moved for quite long, you have to exercise. Exercise means just play with it, but now it's fine. So that was the tutorial. Thank you. Please give us a like if you're satisfied with the video. Let us know. Thank you.